Hi there, it's Hannah and Lou with WTI. Lou here loves his yak cheese sticks by Tibetan dog chews. And I love them because I know they are not harmful for him and they give him something to chew on so that he does not chew on all of my stuff. They're made with 4 ingredients. I know all 4 of them, so I'm not worried about it being harmful to Lou. Another thing I appreciate about these is that they are hard and they last a really long time. So I can give him these instead of bones because I don't like finding bones all over my house. There's something just gross about finding a bone, but finding a stick of cheese, much, much better. Lou is a Boston Terrier. He weighs about 23 pounds, and these are the perfect size for him. He will lay there for a long time and just lick them and chew them. And when I first get one out for him, he grabs it and he runs away because he is so scared I'm going to take it away. It's real cute. Another nice thing is when they have just a little piece left, you can pop these in the microwave and they kind of puff up for a nice little snack for your dog as well. So if you have a dog that needs to chew on something and you want to try something other than a bone, I highly recommend these yak cheese dog sticks. But that's just our point of view.